everyone. I'm going to do a little time-lapse video on how to make a mandala out of nature. Now what I would like you to do is go into the garden, look at all of the lovely leaves, the colours of the leaves, the difference between them, look at all the lovely little flowers that you can collect. Now I'm going to show you an example of what I've collected in the garden, in my front and back garden, and just collected a few things. So just to show you the volume of what you might have to collect to create your nature mandala. So I'm just gonna turn this around if I can, or maybe I'll just do it this way. So I've collected some clover, some bamboo leaves, and some of a plant. I'm looking at the leaves here. I'm looking at lovely lavender flower, bay leaves, some lovely, looking at the colours as well, the lovely reds, and then the yellow flowers, the purple or the bluey beads, and the lovely little white flowers, and then the lovely pink flowers, pinky red colour. So okay, so we're going to start now. The next video will be a little time lapse. Also you need a pencil, a bowl to draw around, and so you can get your circular shape. Okay, so try and get all of those materials before you start. No need for glue, and everything afterwards you need to take a photograph of it, and then you can print the image. Now I'm going to show you a few images that I've done. Actually I could do that now, could I? No, I'll do it afterwards. I'll show you a few images that I've done, or maybe I'll put up on the page you can have a look at. I did them with my daughter and my son, and we spent a good 30 minutes making them, and it was lovely. So you should enjoy it. Yeah, take your time, go into the garden, remember, look at flowers, look at the lovely colours in the leaves, collect them in a big bowl, and then take them in, and then you can start your mandala. Okay, chat to you soon, bye. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to put up a few pictures of what I did with my daughter and my son. We did the nature mandalas on Friday, and they worked out really well. I hope you enjoy doing this. It's a lovely little project, and you should really enjoy getting into the garden, looking at all the different colours, all the leaves, and make sure and ask your folks as well before you start cutting plants. Ask them if you can take them, and maybe they'll come out and give you a little hand. Yeah, so enjoy what you're doing, and I will speak to you soon. Okay, bye.